this is how you use the salad spinner. What we're doing is we're putting all of the leaves on the inside, and then we're gonna put them in and wrap them up in this paper towel. All right, so this thing here, it goes in. See this? That's a plastic knife, you can't hurt yourself. Puts it over there. Now she's gonna wash it.
So it doesn't brown.
So you checking, what does it do? What's the knife do?
The knife keeps the lettuce from turning brown.
The knife keeps the lettuce from turning brown, she says. And this right here, basically it grabs the top of that basket and spins it around when you push on the top. You push this thing, it spins. I'm going to show you how that works. So this right here, you see how this is? This will spin, and the pressure on it makes it spin around in a circle and gets all the water off. I think that's how it works. She's almost got it. Look, it's just making sure there's no bugs in there. Sometimes you get a bug in there, you know, because it is a plant. But, you know, that's good B12 if you eat the bug. I think, I don't know, maybe not. This is romaine lettuce, which is delicious and nutritious. Much better than iceberg. Going all the way down to the itty bitty nubs. We don't waste anything, do we? Yep, checking them all. All right, now we're gonna put the top on. First she's getting the water out. Gets that back in there. Put the top on. There it goes. And what's that do? Stop it?
Yep.
What's this side do here? What's that white button do?
Don't know.
Well,
That might
well, maybe it
release
releases
But
it.
I can release it without using the button.
Oh, okay. So to clean it, right? Huh. Let me see this thing. So this thing just sits in there? Oh, it sits on that little spot right there. And when you're done, you just get the water out like that. And there's a little nub there. And if you look on the bottom of this, that sits right on top of there. Just like that. She's gonna do one more. And this lettuce looks pretty good, actually.
Yeah, that's perfect.
All right, here we go again. Get rid of the little brown spot. And stop it by pressing the button. Bam. And there we go. We got all of our lettuce for our salad. Ready to go. Already cleaned. Most people wouldn't go through this, but she's a perfectionist. She does not like dirty lettuce.
Everyone washing for lettuce. What
I
are you
don't
talking
think so. All right, let's see how much water was in there. Not much water was in there. That's that. It's easy to clean.
No!
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, 5 second rule. You don't care. She's like, yeah, they'll never know. Really, you don't have to, you don't even need water. I mean, you don't even need soap.
Oh. Damn it.
Does this come apart when you take this thing apart? Tell me how you do it.
Squeeze it.
Oh, it just pops off? Oh. All right. I don't know, is that gonna fall?
I
Probably it's gonna drip all over.
All right. Good, and that's how you do it.